special event. So let's fill the night with joy, laughter, and the vibrant colors of this beautiful bloom. So let's do an attendance check first. Once again, let's give our debutant a big round of applause. 8 magkakapatid, isa lang po yung lalaki. Yan, alam niyo po ba yun? Tapos ngayon, yung second generation, 2 lang po yung babae. Halos lahat po ng apo ni tatay ay mga lalaki po. So si Tian po kauna-unahang pamangkin namin na nag-debut. And kami kahit 8 kami magkakapatid na babae, we never experienced yung ganitong klase celebration. Hindi kami nag-debut, walang nag-debut sa amin. Di ba, te? Kaya siguro, pinush din ni ate yung celebration na to. But of course, also, to make Lian feel love, di ba? Kaya rin tayo nandito ngayon, kaya, to make Lian feel that she is loved. Yeah. So,
you're the breeze in the afternoon.
wala po palakpakan dyan.
You will make it you're the roots that go deep, deep down. You're the energy I need to go. You're the moon that made me see that you surround me everywhere I go. You are the sun, and now you're a sunflower. You are the reason for the colors of my soul. You are the sun, and now you're a sunflower. So I look to you and overflow. You are watching over me, constantly you're responding with feelings. You are fighting for my victory. You are fighting for me, I believe. You are the sun, and I'm your sunflower. You are the reason for the colors of my soul. You are the sun, and I'm your sunflower. So I look to you and yeah. Smiling at me, even when I can't breathe. You're always smiling at me, even when I can't see. You're always smiling at me. You're teaching me how to breathe. So I look up and let it all go. I look up and let it all go. I'm the sun, and now you're a sunflower. You are the reason for the colors of my soul. You are the sun, and now you're a sunflower. So I look to you and overflow. To you, I look to you and overflow. Yeah. Thank you po.
Yes, so now, thank you so much to our debutant for that special. It's Lian's birthday! When is Lian's birthday? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Raise your boards! Raise your boards! Patingin, okay. Table 1, got it correctly. Table 2. Ano sagot niyo, Tijen? Time's out. Tijen. Wow! Nag-practice to. tip is to just it's really beautiful to see you bloom this way and be presented to all your friends and family. I hope you understand why everyone was very questions. We're really happy for you, and I think you're blooming into a wonderful woman. And your power, because you're powerful. I hope you see a lot of that in all of us. Your mom, very strong woman, and the titas, and Lex is not here. But yeah, so I wish you nothing but greatness. No pressure. I remember when you traveled to Cebu, your gift was a painting of El Nido. And then I wish you more travels. More travels with you. And I'm supposed to be just giving a toast. Where is the wine? More. 200 more words. Words? Okay. No, I'm prepare next speech. Hindi, I was supposed to give it. Anyway, I wish you... It's really hard to find your way. Because sometimes you have a lot of interest about you're into interior design, music, maybe fashion design. You also have that fashion sense. It's hard to choose, right? Give it time. Mag-usap tayo in private. Kasi mahaba-habang usapan ko. And you can always reach out to me. I'm open. You know my email address. And nakapag-wine ka naman sa Cebu, no? Sorry. Hindi po ito yung first time niya. Wala siyang wine. Okay, so, let's toast to Lian. Let's wait for the wine glasses. Wine glasses ko pala yun. Sure. Easier version. Sige po, may request kung sino nakakaalam ng steps. Punta dito sa ating dance floor. Please, I'll give you prizes later. Yes, Lian, gusto mo ba tawagin?
Isaiah James Del Mar.
Isaiah James Del Moro, please, come here. Sige ba? Ay, saan daw? Hazel De Los Santos, sige, to teach us the dance.
First step,
Oras na po ito.
abatu, abatu. Abatu, abatu. Abatu, abatu. Abatu, abatu. Abatu, abatu. Abatu, abatu.
Ayan, so yung first part.
Maayos yung college na mapasukan.
Yes. Kasi grade 12 na po siya. So she is wishing for a school na magandang mapasukan. Wala ba yung kanila? Okay, so while waiting for the candle, let's have Pastor Eric to pray for our debutant. Thank you, people.
Juan, pogi ah.